NASA India means National Association of Students of Architecture, which started 55 odd years back. It is the only student platform where the students get to interact amidst each other through the various conventions that it hosts at various levels. Like there are conventions happening at 6 zonal levels, and the annual convention, which is for the 56th year, is being hosted by Vaishnavi School of Architecture and Planning in Hyderabad. That is the event which is currently going on, and as you can see, there are around 5 to 6,000 students who are attending this convention, not only from India but also from Pakistan and Nepal. So this is a really big event wherein the basic intention of the students' organization, which is totally handled by the students, is to get them interact, congregate and understand the works of each other through the various trophies and other mediums that NASA provides. NASA hosts almost 13 to 15 trophies with lot of collaborations that are happening. Like there is a collaboration with the University of Westminster in London, and we host that trophy which talks about sustainable design. We also host a trophy with Laurie Baker Center of Habitat Studies, and there are internship programs which are being carried out there. And we have a tie-up with UNESCO. We host Louis Icahn Trophy, and there are many such trophies under various categories. So students put in a lot of effort all around a year to work for this, and the culmination of that happens with this grand event called as the annual NASA convention, wherein they panel all their trophy works and it is put onto the exhibition. So I feel like such kind of platforms should be there even in other fraternities of education, so that students get to learn through the medium of interaction which NASA is providing. I really congratulate VSAP, Vaishnavi School of Architecture and Planning, for hosting this mega event for NASA. Future plan, as you see, NASA is no more a national event, but it has gone to the SAARC level. We have started approaching SAARC nations, and they are participating on their will. As there are around 300 students from Pakistan and 200 students from Nepal this year, we are surely trying to have a nice connectivity by connecting to other SAARC nations as well. And there are many people from outside who are approaching us, so this could be the world's biggest association so far, as we are receiving a lot of comments from, like, I spoke to Mr. Professor David Durney from the University of Westminster, London. He said such kind of event he has never seen all across the world. So people outside are actually considering it so remarkable. It's an effort totally put by the students and the management, and I would definitely like to extend this platform way further at an international ground. So that would be the first future plan, and let's hope for the best.